Hey everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and want to see more crafty related videos, hauls, makeup, get ready with me's, day in a life with me type ordeal. I'm trying to think of more videos I'm going to be doing for you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you'd like YouTube to notify you of my videos. So today, sorry about my bat wings, loose skin, you know, it happens with weight loss, it is what it is. Today I got me some younique, which if you guys have been with me for a while, you know it's makeup that I use on my face because I have super sensitive skin. Profits go to a very amazing charity and so forth. So let's see what I ordered. In January, we had this amazing deal where if you spent $75, you got a free product. If you spent $125, you got 2 free products, and if you spent $175, you got 3 free products. So if you're interested in this makeup or trying it out, there's usually something special going on every month. And my shop with me link is in the description box below. As always, it's in every single one of my videos, along with my email to contact me if you have any questions, and my Facebook craft group and so forth. So in this package I did get a free product, which I already have. So I figured I'm going to share with you guys what I got in this package as the free product. And how I'm going to do that is we're going to do a giveaway. I haven't completely worked out the kinks and stuff of how I'm gonna do the giveaway, but I do know that it's gonna have you sharing my video, ordering from me my shop link, which I will be told who orders from me and how much that they order, and so forth. So ladies, I want to tell you this stuff is amazing. I mean it, and I wouldn't lie to you. I do not false advertise anything. That's just not who I am. I've been using younique for about 5 years now, and I was like, you know what, I love it so much, let's give it a try to sell it to other people. I have super sensitive skin. I have rosacea, I have adult acne, you know, all that kind of stuff, and their makeup does not hurt me at all, which I even have to be careful on washing my face, like with certain things. So when you open up your package, depending on your size, you get this a beautiful wrapped up younique paper, purple, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out, and that is what my products are in. I'm so excited because I fell in love with their liquid eyeshadow. And so what I think I'm gonna do is, when I actually put out the whole video for the giveaway, is I'm gonna do maybe like a live or get ready with me and kind of like talk through things and show you how I use my makeup and how I do it. Easy peasy. I'm a mom of 3 and I like to get ready quick. You know, I don't do that whole 8 layers of foundation type ordeal, and with younique foundation you don't need that. You don't need it. It's amazing. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what I got. But like I said, I fell in love with their liquid eyeshadow. I got it in my presenter box and I was like, you know what, I might not use this, blah blah blah, but then I tested it out and I use it in every single makeup look that I do. So every time you've seen my makeup, I have used it. It's amazing. So let's go ahead and get this open. They have it bubble wrapped to make sure that everything is good to go. Right here is my free product, which is the Twisted Epic Moodstruck Mascara. Amazing, you guys. You wear fake lashes, you won't need to with this stuff. I'm telling you, their mascara, I've had people order from me that wore eyelash extensions and stuff like that, and they just stopped. So younique formula right here, younique brush, like applicator. I'm trying to be hygienic, but there's 2 ways to open it. My hands have been washed, everything's clean. When you open the top part, it is a extremely tiny brush, which is what you want to use first to coat all of your lashes, to separate them, get them all fly and amazing. I don't have any on right now, or I would show you, but I will put it on in that video when I do the full release of this giveaway. And then if you touch down here in the silver part and you open it, you have a twisted regular mascara brush, and it has like a twisted design in it, and that just coats your lashes perfectly. So this is what I will be giving away. I already have this. I have, I think, every single one of their mascaras. I even have the mascara that was like the first mascara they had, and it was a two-step process where you put the mascara on, you put your mascara on, then you put their transfer gel, I guess is what it's called, on, which is also like a mascara, and then you put the fibers on, and then you put the gel back on to seal it all in. I even have that, but now they make it simple. They have one that is the one-step process where it's all mixed together. You just put it on, and depending on your length that you want, you just keep stacking it on after it dries. So this is going to be in the giveaway. I do have some sample things in the other room from their Yoology, which is their skincare stuff that I'm going to be putting in with the giveaway, and I'm just going to make up a cute little self-care love thing, you know what I'm saying? So that is what is going to go in the giveaway. So this is what I bought myself over here. I got me some liquid shadow, and this one is called Business Like. I'm so excited for this one. So excited for this one. It's been on my wish list for a while, ever since I learned how amazing their liquid eyeshadow is. And it is like this very light pinkish purple. I'm gonna go ahead and stand up for you guys and lean over, because I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand right here. It's very smooth, easy glide on. It's very pretty. I put a lot there, my bad, you guys, but you can blend it. Look at that. Do you see? I'm trying to see how it blends in. It's really pretty. That is really, really pretty. Ah, I wonder if I could use this on my lips, because that is a really, really pretty color. I like that. Okay, and then the next one is called Egotistical. I think this is, which one is this one? Oh yes, this is the red one. So here is this one right here. It's kind of like a pinkish red. My camera's really not doing justice on the colors, you guys. I'm telling you, it's absolutely amazing. So when I just first splotch it on, it looks dark. They all look super dark when you first splotch it on, but once you do some blending, it turns into a sheery, pearlescent color. Absolutely amazing, you guys. I wish I had a baby wipe by me, but I don't. You know what? 1 second, I'm gonna go grab one. All right, baby wipes to the rescue. Okay, so those are the liquids. Like I said, they blend really well. They're super pretty. I love it. And you can use it just by itself, or you can pair it with a regular like matte eyeshadow, which I'm going to show you a palette that I got as well. Now, this palette, I haven't checked to see if it was a limited time thing or not. There was two different ones that you can choose from. One was more of like an earthy one with greens and browns and golds in it. Absolutely stunning. But I decided to go with the other one, which is the Moodstruck Addiction Shadow Palettes. So I'm just going to go ahead and go over a little bit of the prices with you. I'm pretty sure the liquid eyeshadow is $27. but a little goes a long way, you guys. I put a big splotch on my hand. I obviously do not need that for the inside of my eyelids or anything like that. So a little goes a long way with these, and the quality is absolutely amazing. Like, it doesn't stain your skin or anything like that. It's all day long wear, and so forth. And I'm pretty sure this palette was $49. I'm gonna go ahead and move this out of the way because I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna save it because I'll probably reuse the packaging to send out your guys' giveaway when I do it. So please, if you are interested in trying Younique products, stay tuned for that giveaway because you do not want to miss out on it. So their packaging is so sleek and so beautiful. Like I said, like their containers are amazing. I'm so excited for this palette. So excited. You guys, and their palettes are amazing. Like their packaging. Like, look at this. Isn't that absolutely stunning packaging? Super smooth. It's beautiful. Let's see here. I'm trying to see if this has Shadow Palette Moonstruck Addiction. Yes, okay, look at this. It comes with a mirror on the inside, and then you have this beautiful colors, you guys. Look at these. Absolutely stunning colors. Now, if Chloe was still here, I have a feeling she would be stealing my stuff. So we have the color Delightful, Calm, Blazing, Impressive, Audacious, Enthralled, and Lofty. So, should we test some colors out here? Wait, well, I have tattoos in too many places. So, we're gonna go ahead and just try to get as many in these little areas of my wrist right here. So we're gonna go in with Delightful, and I'm just going to put it on my finger. Beautiful color. Sheer. This would be great for a highlight of your eyebrow bone. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's absolutely stunning. My finger. See? Oh, pretty, pretty. I guess we'll just do fingers then. So that is Delightful. This one is Glam, which would be awesome as also a highlighting for underneath your eyebrows, or even put this one on first and that one on top. Okay, and then we got Blazing, which is this burgundy color. We have Impressive, which is kind of like that eyeshadow. And then we have Audacious, and it's so smooth, you guys, and there's barely any fall off. Then we have Enthralled, which is this really pretty brown tan color, and then Lofty is another shimmer, like with a little bit of gold specks in it. So those are the colors that come in this palette. I'll go ahead and wipe my fingers off so that I'm not making a gigantic mess all over my craft table here, because, you know, we tend to do that, right? Yeah. Anyways, so those are the colors. There's barely any fall off. They're very buildable, if you understand what that means. Just really great. Super smooth and soft. Feels great on your eyes. Sleek, cute, compact that it comes in. We also have ones where you can build your own palette, and they have little magnets inside that they just clip right in. So there's also that there. But that is it for this Younique haul. I will do a absolutely entire makeup look using this palette and some of my liquid eyeshadows. Not this one, my Twisted mascara. I also have their foundation. I also have their primer. I also have their eyeliner. I don't know if I still have it, but they also, it's no longer available. They are talking about possibly bringing it back, I think. But a brow palette, I have to see if it's in my other makeup bag. I've been using pomade on my eyebrows, and I'm pretty sure they make that now too. I'll have to look, I'll have to double check. But I have their foundation stick, I have their blush, I even have a couple of their makeup brushes. So I'm going to attempt to do an entire look just using Younique products. So stay tuned for that to see what's going to be going in the giveaway, along with the mood struck and how to enter into the giveaway. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye.